Hi, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be talking about charities. So, think about this. What charities do you know? Please pause the video and write down at least 5 charities. What do they do? Do they help children, elderly people? Do they protect the environment? Please think about this so we can share during class. Great, let's continue. Today we're going to be sending an email to an organization that helps others. So, think about this. Do you know these charities? Techo, RUB, or Teleton? In what charities would you like to volunteer and why? If you don't want to participate in any of these three charities, that's okay. Choose another one and we're going to share in class. Great. Now, please go to your student book page 60, exercise A. We're going to read an email that Mary Griffin sent to this organization. Let's underline the sentences where she's asking for information. Please pause the video while you work on this. Okay, let's go ahead and check your answers. You should have. Would it be a problem if I joined the program on Sunday? I would appreciate it if you could send me more details about the accommodations. Is there anyone I can contact in my area? Very good. Now, let's go ahead and continue. Today we're going to be talking about eat. So, thinking about that, please pause the video and find the subject and the object in the sentences. Is there anything special about it? Let's do the first one. It would be useful if I could talk to someone in my area. In this case, it is used as a subject or an object. That's right, it is a subject. Now pause the video and work on the other three. Okay, great, let's go ahead and check. I would appreciate it if you could send me more details. In this case, we're talking about an object. I would find it difficult to arrive on Saturday. It's also an object. Would it be a problem if I joined the program on Sunday? In this case, it is working as a subject. So, let's take a look at this. As a subject, we have two examples. It would be useful if I could talk to someone in my area. And would it be a problem if I joined the program on Sunday? Sometimes sentences don't have a specific subject. However, in English, we need a subject in most sentences. So if we don't have a subject, we can use it as a dummy subject, just for grammatical purposes. Also, as an object, we have two examples. I would appreciate it if you could send more details, and I would find it difficult to arrive on Saturday. In this case, we use it as an object to avoid repetition. Look at the next sentence. I ate pizza today. The pizza was delicious. Or, I ate pizza today. It was delicious. In this case, it is just avoiding repetition. Great. Now let's continue. Let's go to student book page 60, exercise B. Here, what we need to do is to decide where we're going to write it. For example, number 1, we would prefer if you could arrive on Saturday because we do the training that evening. In this case, where would you put it? That's right, we should write it after prefer. We would prefer it if you could arrive on Saturday. Now pause the video and work on the rest. There is one sentence that doesn't need it. Okay, let's go ahead and check. 2. Number 2. We would appreciate it if you could confirm your arrival time as soon as possible. 3. We would be grateful if you could send your payment for the accommodations. Here we didn't need it. 4. You will find it useful to talk to someone about volunteering. And 5. There are volunteers in your town, so it is not a problem to put you in touch with someone. Did you have the same? Great. Now, for your homework, you have to go to workbook page 40, exercise C. Here, we need to correct the sentences. There is one error in each of them. For example, will be interesting to read about your training program. In this case, we need to add the word it. Where should you write it? That's right, in the beginning of the sentence. It will be interesting to read about your training program. Now pause the video and work on the rest. Okay, guys, we're going to check this during our class. I will see you then. Bye bye!